Are you trying to power a 12-volt device with PoE but not sure what you'll need? Stick around to see a complete kit option to get this done.
Here we have our PoE 12v10w-Kit. This is a 3-piece component kit made up of a power supply, a single port injector, and one splitter. The power supply outputs 24 volts 12 watts and has a male 2.1 by 5.5 millimeter DC barrel. This is the splitter portion of the kit. This takes in 24 volt passive PoE on mode B and steps it down to 12 volts 10 watts of power. There are 2 LED indicators to let you know it's powered on, and this splits out power and data. The last component is our single port injector. It has one female RJ45, one female 2.1 DC barrel for input power, and one male RJ45 to connect to your network switch for input data. The first step is to connect your power supply to your single port injector. Once you have power on the injector, go ahead and connect it to an available port on your network switch. Next thing to do is simply run a patch cable from the female RJ45 port on the single port injector into the female RJ45 port on the 12 volt 10 watt splitter. Once connected with proper input voltage, you'll notice the LED lights turn on. To demonstrate the output power, I'm using our PoE Gen 2 tester. This splitter has a tolerance of plus or minus 5%, so 11.56 volts is still within the operating voltage range. The last step is to connect the male RJ45 end of the splitter into your phone for data.
Don't forget to like or subscribe so you can keep up with the latest on PoE Texas innovations. You can also find us on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram. Leave comments for us and tell us what you'd like to see us do with PoE. By the way, there are times you may find a different PoE Texas device can do a special job or can be used when you can't find a normal PoE injector. Check out our other videos about cool PoE Texas products to see how they can help you. See y'all next time.